Today we will learn about divisibility rules for 9 and 3. In the previous video, we learned about divisibility rules for 10, 5 and 2. Taking this forward, today we will learn about the rules of divisibility for 3 and 9. Divisibility by 3 tells us that if the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. For example, the sum of digits 4, 6 and 8 in the number 468 is 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. So, 468 is also divisible by 3. To verify this, we divide 468 by 3. We find that by division, we get quotient 156 and remainder 0. Since the remainder is 0, we can say that 468 is divisible by 3. Similarly, the rule for divisibility by 9 tells us that if the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then that number is also divisible by 9. For example, the sum of digits 4, 6 and 8 in the number 468 is 18 and 18 is divisible by 9. So, 468 is also divisible by 9. To verify this, we divide 468 by 9. We find that by division, we get quotient 52 and remainder 0. Since the remainder is 0, we can say that 468 is divisible by 9. Let us now understand how we check the divisibility of a number by 3 or 9 by looking at the sum of the digits. Let's take the number 468. In this number, 8 is at 1's place, 6 is at 10's place, and 4 is at 100's place. We can write this number in general form. 468 is equal to 100 multiplied by 4 plus 10 multiplied by 6 plus 8. We can write 100 multiplied by 4 as 99 plus 1 multiplied by 4, that is 99 multiplied by 4 plus 4. Similarly, we can write 10 multiplied by 6 as 9 multiplied by 6 plus 6. This will give us 468 is equal to 99 multiplied by 4 plus 4 plus 9 multiplied by 6 plus 6 plus 8. Now, using commutative property and associative property, we can change their order and group them like this. If the sum of two or more numbers is divisible by 3 or 9, then the sum is also divisible by 3 or 9. Similarly, we can write numbers like 9, 99, 999 as 9 multiplied by 1, 9 multiplied by 11, 9 multiplied by 111 and so on. Since 9 is the factor of each number in this pattern, all these numbers are divisible by 9. Similarly, number 3 is the factor of number 9. So, all the numbers in the pattern are divisible by 3. In this way, here, 99 multiplied by 4 are divisible by both 3 and 9. Similarly, 9 multiplied by 6 is also divisible by both 3 and 9. Hence, the number 468 will be divisible by 3 or 9 only when sum of all the digits of a number, that is here, the sum of 4, 6 and 8 will be divisible by 3 or 9. Here, their sum is 18, which is divisible by both 3 and 9. So, the number 468 will also be divisible by both 3 and 9. This is also true for all numbers. In this way, the divisibility of 3 or 9 can be checked by looking at the sum of the digits. Let's understand these rules in a general way. Suppose we took a number like this. It has A at 1's place, B at 10's place, C at 100's place, and these dots tells us that there can be more digits to the left of C. With this understanding, we can write these numbers as follow. We can write 100C as 99C plus C. In the same way, we can write 10B as 9B plus B. In this way, we can also write this number in this way. With the help of commutative property and associative property of addition, we can change their order from groups like this. It represents the sum of digits of a group number. Here, the factor of each number in these numbers is 9, so all these numbers are divisible by 3 and 9. Therefore, this number will be divisible by 3 or 9 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3 or 9. Now, you should have understood why the divisibility by 3 or 9 depends on the sum of the digits of the number. Today we have learned divisibility rules for 9 and 3. In the next video, we will see some examples related to divisibility by 3 and 9. Today we will see some examples related to rules of divisibility by 9 and 3. Check the divisibility of number 25,69,815 by 9 and 3. Any number is divisible by 9 when the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, that is, multiple of 9. Therefore, to check the divisibility of the number by 9, we will sum the digits of the number. Here, 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 36 is the sum of these digits. Is 36 divisible by 9? Dividing 36 by 9 gives us quotient 4 and remainder 0. Since the remainder is 0, 36 is divisible by 9. Think if we can add the digits of 36 again and find out whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Think. Absolutely right. We can thus also check for divisibility by 9. It is not necessary to divide. Since 36 is divisible by 9, so the number 25,69,815 is also divisible by 9. To verify this, you can divide the number by 9 and find that the number is divisible by 9 or not. Similarly, if the sum of the digits of any number is multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Therefore, the sum of digits of number is 36. Dividing 36 by 3 gives us quotient 12 and the remainder is 0. Hence, the sum 36 is divisible by 3. Since 36 is divisible by 3, the number 25,69,815 is also divisible by 3. Now, by dividing the number 25,69,815 by 3, verify yourself that the number is divisible by 3. In this way, in this example, number 25,69,815 is divisible by both 9 and 3. Next example. What will be the minimum value of x in the number shown so that the given number is divisible by both 3 and 9? Just before solving this question, think, will a number be divisible by 9 or divisible by 3? Pause the video and consider it. Let us tell you, 3 is factor of 9. If number is divisible by 9, it means that number is divisible by factors of 9. With this understanding, we can now find the value of x by using the law of divisibility by 9. We do not need the law of divisibility by 3. Here the number 369x963 must be divisible by 9. That is, the sum of digits of given number must be a number which is divisible by 9. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus x plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 36 plus x. Now, can you tell what the value of x will be? Think. Let us tell you, since x represents a digit, its value can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. But there is also a restriction on the value of x, such that the sum of 36 plus x must be divisible by 9. So tell me which digits can come in place of x. We see that by keeping the value of x as 0, we get the sum of both the numbers 36, which is divisible by 9. So the value of x can be 0. Now if we take the value of x as 1, we will get sum 37, which is not divisible by 9. Therefore, we cannot take the value of x as 1. Similarly, we cannot take the value of x as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or even 8. When we take the value of 9, we get the sum as 36 plus 9 is equal to 45, which is divisible by 9. Therefore, we can also have a value of 9, but we need the minimum value of x. So, we will take value of x is equal to 0. With this, we will get a number. Today we have seen some examples related to rules of divisibility by 9 and 3. In the next video, we will see some more interesting examples related to them. Today we will see some interesting examples related to divisibility rules by 9 and 3. PQR is a 3-digit number with P, Q, R digits. Find PQR minus RQP is divisible by which numbers? We can write PQR as 100P plus 10Q plus R. Similarly, we can write RQP as 100R plus 10Q plus P. In this way, we can say PQR minus RQP is equal to 100P plus 10Q plus R minus 100R plus 10Q plus P. From this, we will get PQR minus RQP is equal to 100P minus P plus 10Q minus 10Q plus R minus 100R is equal to 99P minus 99R, which is equal to 99 into bracket P minus R. In this way, we can say that PQR minus RQP, this number will be divisible by 99. We know that the factors of 99 are 1, 3, 9, 11, 33 and 99. Since the result of subtraction PQR minus RQP is divisible by 99, we can say that the result will also be divisible by factors of 99. In this way, number PQR minus RQP is divisible by 1, 3, 9, 11, 33 and 99. Next example, if P, Q and R is 3 digits, then PQR minus P minus RQ is divisible by which of the following numbers? Here, PQR is equal to 100P plus 10Q plus R. Similarly, we can write RQ as 10R plus Q. In this way, PQR minus P minus RQ is equal to 100P plus 10Q plus R minus P minus 10R plus Q is equal to 100P plus 10Q plus R minus P minus 10R minus Q. We can write this as 100P minus P plus 10Q minus Q plus R minus 10R. On solving this, we will get 99P plus 9Q minus 9R. That is 9 into bracket 11P plus Q minus R. The number given in this way is multiple of 9. This means that it is divisible by 9. Since this number is divisible by 9, it will also be divisible by factors of 9, that is 1 and 3. Or we can write 99P plus 9Q minus 9R as 3 into bracket 33P plus 3Q minus 3R, which shows that this number is also divisible by 3. In this way, the given number is divisible by 1, 3 and 9. So today we saw some interesting examples related to divisibility from 9 and 3.